Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. To use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone, open the WhatsApp mobile application, and once you have it opened, you want to come to this top right section where it says more option. Tap on these three dots to bring out the more option and tap on settings. On your settings page, you're going to see your profile. What you want to do is come to this arrow with the drop down and tap on this. Under this, you're going to see add account. Now tap on add account and you'll be prompted to sign into a new WhatsApp account. So I'm going to follow through with the sign up process. If you follow these steps successfully, you would have added your second WhatsApp account to your WhatsApp mobile application. To switch between accounts, what you want to do is tap on the three dots again and then tap on switch accounts this time around, or you can tap on settings and you will see the drop down in this section again. Tap on the second account and it will switch the chats to your second WhatsApp account. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video.